That's a nice thing. Arriving, and there is a kind of motorcycle event. So let's find out where to stay and if it's possible. That was more Romaniacs than adventure riding. See you later, guys. Does a beer have only this footprint? I'm not sure. First, let's say feedback from 3.5 hours of off-roading Hungarian TET. I was able to clear about 20 kilometers in 3.5 hours. It's more Romaniacs than adventure riding. Couple of tracks not possible to pass, to keep step downs, so I need to go direct through the bushes. Had to push the bike, and when it's muddy, the tires I use, the original D605 Dunlop, are horrible. On normal dirt they are okay, but when it's muddy, it's not possible to ride. It's comfort. What else to say? Once I got stuck in a mud hole, I had to take off the luggage and push the bike out. It took me probably 10 minutes to get it out. So don't expect to do 200 Ks on the, I guess it's the number 3 TET, Hungarian TET. It's the south part, south of the Balaton Lake, going from west to east, and my plan was to ride to the east end of the Balaton Lake, but now it's 12 o'clock p.m. or p.m. yeah, a couple of minutes passed, and I did only, I guess, 20-25 kilometers. So I have a short break, eat an apple, and after I will take along the tent. See you, bye bye.